Okay, so question number 15 we have it. The number of ways 5 boys and 4 girls can sit in a row so that either all the boys sit together or no boys sit together. Correct? So there are two cases given. Either all the boys will sit together or no two boys will sit together. So first find when all the boys will sit together. So let's suppose we have boys as B1, and how many boys do we have? 5. B1, B2, B3, B4 and B5. And girls we have is 4. So I am naming it as G1, G2, G3 and G4. Now if all the boys are sitting together, no, this can be considered as one unit only. This can be considered as only one unit. Right? This is only one unit. Girls have the choice. Girls can sit anywhere, but boys are sitting together. So this is 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this as one unit will be 5 factorial. Now internal rearrangement in the boys is possible. Internal rearrangement of boys. What do I mean by internal rearrangement? B1 can come here, B2 can go there. So this is the internal rearrangement. So this is again what? 5 factorial multiplied by 5 factorial. This is the case when all the boys are sitting together. This is the case. You can. I'm just giving an example. Let's suppose G1 sit here, and after that all the 5 boys B1, B2, B3, B4 and B5. This is one unit together, and then let's suppose G2, G3 and G4. Correct? G1, G2, G3 and G4. Now internal rearrangement of this is also possible. No? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 factorial, and internal rearrangement is possible as what? 5 factorial again. So this is the case. Right? This is the case of all the boys sit together. Now the cases in which the boys are not sitting together means no two boys sit together. So in that case, how they can sit? Let's suppose G1 is sitting there, G2 is sitting there, G3 is sitting there and G4 is sitting there. Now in between boys can sit because no two boys can sit together. So boys can sit here, boys can sit here, boys can sit here, boys can sit here, boys can sit here. Right? How many options do boys have? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5, right? So this will be counted as what? This is total cases I am writing now. 5 factorial into 5 factorial and plus these cases. So this comes here 5 factorial and this is what? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this will be as internal rearrangement of girls are possible. So it is 4 factorial. 5 factorial into 4 factorial. This can be counted as what? 5 factorial and better do like this 120 into 120 plus this will be 120 into 4 factorial is 24. Now if I do 12 12s are 144 00 and this will come as 24 into 12. So this will come as 300 and correct 120 into 24. 120 into 24, it is 120 into 24, 120, right? So this will come as 24 into 12 is what? 288, 288, right? And 24 into 12, correct? 24 to the 48 and correct. So this will come as 2880. Now you count it, it will come as 0, 8, 2, 4, 2, 6, 7 and 1. So 17,280. So final answer in this question will be what? 17,280. Correct?